How to remove a payment method in Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to remove the payment method that you have added on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto account at the bottom. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find wallet right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find payment methods. Now you can see I haven't added the payment method right now, so it is showing add payment method. And if you have added one, now simply keep on tapping onto that payment method and there will be the remove or delete option, and simply tap on it. And by doing that, you will simply remove the method of payment in the Uber Eats. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.